If you're looking for a great beverage to serve this 4th of July, you might want to give this good old Southern fruit tea a try. You're going to start out with 5 large tea bags. I'm using Louisiana tea. You can use y'all brand. You can use whatever kind of tea you like. We'll start with 5 large tea bags. Put that in a pan with about 4 cups of water. Let that come to a full rolling boil. And then you'll just pour that in your container or your punch bowl, as I'm doing. Add 1 can of frozen pineapple juice, 1 container of frozen lemonade. And these do not have to be thawed out. You can use them frozen because that hot water from that tea is going to melt them. Go ahead and give that a stir. And while you're doing this, go ahead and run 2 cups of water over those tea bags. Once your frozen lemonade and your frozen pineapple juice melt, go ahead and pour that tea into the punch bowl or your container. Give this another stir. And in order to make this really pleasing to the eye, go ahead and slice a lemon and lay some lemon slices right on top, or even in your tea jug. And that's how easy it is to make some good old Southern fruit tea.